Let's see how many visitors we have here and how many residents. Who's visitor? Let's raise the hand. Visitors. All are residents, so that's
As
much
in
better.
Those with the visit visa.
Visit visa, yes.
Yes, those on visit visa. Okay.
So all are staying here. That's very good.
We are all residents in Jesus' name.
Okay, who stayed here in Emirates more than 5 years? MashaAllah, MashaAllah, good quantity. So do you speak Arabic?
No.
شوي شوي only, yeah? Okay. So we have some points to speak about. Then we can go ahead with the questions. Any questions you have in your mind about the law? So I am here ready to answer, inshallah. So in the beginning, we can speak about rights and responsibilities in UAE. Okay, as a resident, you know what's your right and your responsibilities in UAE. An example, you have a right to do many things in UAE without anyone asking you a simple question. Many rights you have. Let's start by having a good right to how to treat you. Here in Emirates, no one is looking you as a religion or an age or a gender or a color. No one is seeing this at all. So if you are white, red, black, brown, blue, whatever your color is, everyone has to respect you. Even you have to respect the others. This is right. This is right to everyone. There is many countries we know that if you go, you are in some of different color, maybe they will help the other one and you will not help you. This one we see everywhere. Even you have a right to get a good health care, even if you don't have an insurance. So how that? Some cases are emergency. We are here, like we can say, like 99% are residents. Okay, 99% are residents here. So anyone he have a visa, so for sure that he have insurance. But what if you don't have an insurance? So how can you save yourself? If you don't have insurance, you have the emergency cases like broken hand, broken legs, very low pressure, whatever medical things. You can immediately call the ambulance and you can go to emergency section only. In this area, might they charge you only the entrance or the visit, which costs maybe 100, 70, 300, depend on the ambulance, which hospital it will take you, the nearest hospital. Okay? So, if you don't have insurance, really, I advise everyone here to get an insurance. Insurance is not costing that much. Even if it's costing, it's much better for your health. Much better, of course. Okay? So, we have the health right also. Even if anyone here, he had a bad, let's say a bad word from anyone, he heard something, or someone he was against him in something, or any bad thing happened to you, you can immediately go to any police station, to any public prosecution, to any court, just to put your complaint over there, and everyone is welcoming this complaint if you are on right and you are respecting the law. We will not say that if I am, an example, if I am Indian, I am African, whatever the nationality, or they will not accept my complaint. No, everyone is accepting your complaint when you have the correct and you have the right. So this thing we are believe, and it's the constitution of United Arab Emirates, that if that is anyone in Emirates, he have a problem or something, he have full right to complain anywhere in the police station or whatever the place is. So you have the right to complain, and if your complaint was false, so the problem will gonna be bigger but on you. So an example, if someone said a bad word to me, so maybe I can go to the police station and I complain him. So they will call the other guy, come. If he didn't come, they will make him wanted just to do the investigation with him. Okay, if the guy came and they ask him, did you say this word to him? No, I didn't. Okay, come Yasser. Do you have any proof that he say a bad word to you? Any bad word? No, I don't have really. He say it just in front of me verbally, and no witness was there. So they will tell me, Yasser, if you don't have a proof, then we will close your complaint. Okay? Close it. I don't have any evidence. I don't have any witness. I don't have anything with me. In that case, the other guy, he can make a case against me. Yes, why? Because I wasted his time. I call him to the police station. See? It's a very small thing. You have a right to complain. But when you have enough evidence, in our law firm, anyone is coming to us, I am just asking him, first show me the evidence, then I will listen to you. Yes. So let's go. An example, there is also responsibilities that we have to go with by knowing the law. Now we are here like everyone has a Emirates resident. So I cannot be anywhere and do something and people will say to me, this is wrong. I will say, oh, I didn't know the law is like that. No one can avoid the law by saying, I don't know the law. You have just to read. We are daily using our mobiles like 6 to 8 hours, daily. You can just put 30 minutes for yourself just to read about UAE law. Go to TikTok, go to anywhere, but do not rely on someone who's not legal. Just be sure about the sources, you will get the information. Some people, they are getting sources from a very weak places. So do not hear to anyone, especially someone is out of UAE, especially someone he don't have a law degree, or someone he's an engineer or he's a doctor, but he's telling you a low information. So I cannot do that. If you have a headache, are you going to go to a mechanic? No, of course no. And if you have a broken leg, you will go to an engineer? Never. You will go to the exact person. So this is what we have to do with the law things. Second thing, we have to, let's say, respect the culture. An example, if I came to Africa, to Ghana, to Uganda, Nigeria, wherever, okay, I saw people are wearing some kind of clothes. I cannot laugh on this clothes. No one can do that. An example, if you go to Scotland and you saw men are wearing a skirt, what you will gonna do? You will laugh? You will take photo and publish everywhere, he's wearing a skirt? So here in Emirates even, we saw one video, really it was very laughing video. It's not by law, but no one did anything to her, I think. We saw one African lady, she was wearing men uniform, Arabic men uniform. So I think you saw it. So she was walking in the mall with Kandora, Gatra, Agal, and going shopping. Okay, come. This is not a lady's uniform. There is a lady's uniform. Yes, you can use, but you cannot use any uniform. Yes, you have to be just, it's a simple thing. That it's not mean that I like it and it's covering so I can wear it. Okay. This is about the cultures, and we can go about the governments. An example. In the world, we have many government. Every government does have their plans or their laws. They are respecting their laws. They are respecting their government buildings, whatever, what laws they are putting. So I cannot say a bad word to them, or I saying, no, this plan they are putting, it's a wrong plan, or this law they put, it's a wrong law. So this is belong to the government. I cannot say that, oh, why police is catching people who's wearing shorts. Why police is catching people like doing this. I cannot say this. When I am in a country, I should respect this country. So they, in behavior also, will gonna respect me. Okay, and about the visa and resident, if someone he have a visa, he have to be aware, like when his visa will gonna expire, to avoid being in fines or whatever things. Just make sure about your insurance. In general, you have to be aware about these things, and especially for people who's coming by a visit visa. So who's coming by visit visa? He have a visit visa for 30 days, and he don't know. He's thinking that it's for 1 year or for 9 months or whatever. So because the sum of agent, he's giving him. Sorry, I just came in my mind one story. There is one guy. He's not local. He came to Emirates and he said to someone, "I want a resident visa in UAE." He said to him, "Okay, everyone is getting a resident visa with a company in Dubai by 40,000. But I have a very good thing for you. I will give you unlimited resident visa in UAE. Unlimited. You will pay me 60,000. He said, "Okay, I will take that." Then when he came to us, he said, "Guys, I have unlimited unlimited resident visa." So we check the visa. It's ending after 2 years. What are you saying? No. True, the date is ending after 2 years. But only after 2 years, I need to go to do medical and to do a new UAE pass. So see how they cheat him. Very, very tricky law, very tricky law. They told to him that you have unlimited UAE visa. Unlimited. So how is that happening? Even if you have a green card, it's not unlimited. Okay. So let's go to the law or labor laws. Okay. An example, everyone have a resident visa, so he's maybe investor, or he have a property, or he have a employee visa. Okay. Now, what is thing is controlling me and my sponsor? It's the law agreement. Okay, the labor agreement. Now the labor agreement, we can see when it start, when it will finish. My name and the company name. This is very important. Some people they are saying, "Yasser, what are you saying? My company, my name and the company name." Yes. Sometimes they are putting one letter different than your name, then a problem will gonna come to you. Some people they are having a visa on a company and they are working in a different company. They don't know what's the different company. An example here, let's say something technology. Here something plus technology. So it's a different name. You have to know if the sponsor is not one sponsor, and if the visa is different, if the company license is different, you cannot work in another company. Otherwise, you have to take a permission from labor. Here in UAE now, the new labor law, it's a very good to everyone. An example, if I am working now in a company from 8 to 5. Okay, by law in Emirates, most of jobs is only for 8 hours. If they will keep you for 9 hours, then you have 1 hour break between these hours. 1 hour break. Okay, for lunch, for pray, for whatever you want. You can use it. Okay? You cannot use it beginning of the working, and you cannot use it at the end of the work. Okay. Here, some of works, maybe we can say like a security, or like some of restaurants, or like some of, let's say, pharmacies, kind of work, doctors, they are working more than 8 hours. So this company, they are taking a permission from Ministry of Labor. So we have some employees like 5, 3, 6. They will gonna work for more than 8 hours, and they agree with that. So when you will see as a security or whatever, you will see how many hours you need to work in a day. Okay, if you saw it's 12, so you know that you will work for 12 hours. If it's 8, so it's only 8. If it's 9, so you know that you have 1 hour break. And about the weekend vacations, everyone, every work, whatever your work is, if you are, whatever, let's say your work is, you have every weekend 1 or 2 days vacation. So let's say, why in beginning I said that the agreement of law is very important, because sometime I am coming to the work and they are saying to me, sign this agreement. I sign it without reading it. Many of people are doing this. They are reading only just some fast, and they are just focusing on the salary, nothing else. Okay, so at the end he's coming. They are saying that you have 1 day off, or you have 2 days off. After 6 months, they are saying to him, oh, we cancel one day off, so you have 1 day off only, not 2 day vacations. So no one can do this to you, and no one can say this to you. The agreement is the law between you and the sponsor. It's the agreement only. And anyone he say that this is not mentioned in the agreement, just read your agreement again, and you have fully right. If the sponsor he didn't give you your agreement, you are working in Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, wherever, just go to Tasheel. This is my passport. I want a copy from my labor agreement, and they will give you with 2 languages translated, Arabic to English. So very easy things. Just we need to be aware about it, just to avoid any problem, anything in the future. Okay, about the salaries, there is 2 kinds of salaries. There is basic salary and total salary, full salary. Okay, basic salary is like what it's against what I am doing. Okay, my basic salary, let's say it's 5,000 dirham, 3,000 dirham. Okay, but in total I can get like 12, 8, 15. Okay, the other things they are just putting now, let's say like for transportation, for accommodation, for whatever. Okay, in the end of your service, after completing 1 year, they will count your end of service on the basic salary. So do not say my full salary is 25,000 and my basic salary is 2,000, so you want 25,000 after 1 year. No, they will give you only 2,000. Okay. What I need to be aware in in law things, an example in labor law things, do not work with someone your visa not on him, because there will gonna be 3 fines for 3 different persons. If my visa, okay, on let's say on company X, and I want to work on company Z, so what will happen? If I went to work with company Z and from labor they came and they catch me, so you know what will happen? Company X will get a fine from 50,000 to 1 million dirham. Company Z will get same 50,000 fine up to 1 million dirham. Okay, what about me? Before they was fining me 2,000, 3,000, then deportation immediately. Okay, I didn't do anything wrong. No, you was working without a permission. And now they changed the law just to make it on behalf of the labor. Now, if someone he catch you, yes, they will gonna fine you, but after your previous company, they will get 50,000 fine. You think they will keep you? No. Really, no. Okay. One more thing. If you are going to do your resident visa as a labor, if you didn't agree with your sponsor that you will gonna pay the resident fee, do not pay it. Do not pay to anyone for the resident fees. Never. So because this is by the law, it's belong to the sponsor, not to you. Okay, I see, mashallah, many person they know about the law here. Okay, let's say one of the month they didn't pay you your salary. So in how long you can complain? Who does know? My salary is coming monthly 27 of the month. So they didn't pay me. Today is 3, today is 4 of May. So when I can do the complaint, who does know? After how many days I can complain in labor? 10 days. Okay. Who have another answer? After 7 days. One more question, one more answer. Landy, you do. Yalla. Okay. All the answers are correct. Because on 27, if I didn't get my salary, on 28, I can complain. Yes, exactly. Okay. Why is that? Because of this salary, I am paying my electricity, my accommodation, my petrol, my kids' school. I am paying everything. So if there was one day delayed, so there is a checks will gonna be bounced. There is a kids will gonna be out from their school. Only one day. So I can immediately, in the second day, I can do the complaint. So if I make this complaint on my company, you didn't pay me my salary with one day late. After paying me the salary, they will keep me? No. Okay, who does have a solution for that? They are not paying me my salary. It's a big problem, really. They are not paying me my salary. 1 week late. If I complain, after this complaint, they will pay me my salary. End of service. Go. Who does have a solution for that? Think. What kind of solution we can do? Anyone? Huh? Wait. Only wait, huh? Some people are waiting for 3 months, really. Yes. And if they don't have accommodation, if they have accommodation, they are waiting for 6 months. With food, they can wait for 1 year. Okay, there is a kind of complaint. We call it a secret complaint with the labor. You can call the labor, I want to do a secret complaint. Because I am employed in this company, this is the license number of the company. But you are not saying your name, okay? They didn't pay the salary for April 25. They will take your complaint without taking your name, without taking anything, and they will go direct to the company. Show me this, the pay slip for April. If they couldn't show, so the company will gonna be blocked, and they will not know that you make the complaint, and they will pay all salaries. Good. So you will do the complaint today. Okay, anyone does have a question about labors that the information is fresh? Anyone, any question? Maybe later. Okay. So we have our third topic is like social media and public behavior. It's also general thing. Like say, something we have to avoid in the internet. I don't have a right to take a photos of people without their permission. Why I need to take their permission? Is he an important person? By the law, if he is important person, you can take a photo of him. If he is a famous person, you can take a photo of him. But if he's not famous, you cannot do. Why? Because the famous person, his photos everywhere already. So what's the permission I need? But if he's not famous, maybe he don't like to do this. Maybe he don't like to be in public. Maybe he don't like someone to take his photos. I don't know. Some people is like that, yes, and this is their right. Even you, if someone take your photo and you don't want to publish it, to be published by this guy, so you can complain him. And what's your proof? His mobile is your proof. You can call the police. They will come. Even if she's a lady and you are a lady, you can catch her, or you can call the security until the police come. Or if he's a man, you can catch him, or you wait, or you call for the security until he's coming, until police coming. So they will catch him. They will check his mobile. Even if he deleted, they have the right to check with the laboratory to see that if he deleted this photo or no, or did he take it in beginning or no. So do not complain anyone. You think that he take a photo of you. Yes. Okay. Avoiding saying bad words in public. If you saw a video, bad video, good video, whatever, you like it, you don't like it, just see it. You want to do like. You don't want, just do not put the like even. If you want to put a comment, just remember where are you coming from. Remember your father, your mother. What? What is laughing? I didn't get. Huh? Deportation. No. It's not about deportation. Sometimes it's about deportation. Yes, correct. That's correct. He have information more than me. Okay. An example. If I want to put a comment, I can put. That's fine. It's very fine. Oh, nice video. Thank you for publishing this information or whatever. But I don't need to say bad word to this guy because he wasted his time on doing a video. Ask these guys. They know how it's hard to do a video and to follow and to do a montage, to clear some things, to put some things, to change the dates, you know. Because when we was taking the video, what date we said? We said 3rd of May in the video. Then our guy, he fixed it without I am saying, he said 4th of May. So it's their work, they know how to do it. Okay, do not spread false news or rumors, because sometimes the false news or rumors is affecting you, not any other ones. An example. If you just spread any false information, an example, let's say, if your visa has been finished, they will gonna deport you. So you need to renew your visa before the date of finishing. So this is a wrong information. If you hear this one or you put this one in the internet and you publish it, maybe your brother will gonna listen to this information and he will gonna do this every year. Maybe some of your friends, maybe some of your neighbors. So be careful about these things. And from beginning also we say that if you want to get a correct information, do not take it from anywhere. You can take it from your counsel. You can take it from a legal advisor, a lawyer, legal consultant, who have a degree law and who have experience in UAE law. So this is too important. So in general, we are not using any bad words. We are not smoking in closing area. Some of people, they have a problem. Some of people, they have their children with them. Wear a good clothes. We have one thing in Arabic culture, saying, eat what you like and wear what they like. So I wear what people like. They will say, oh, mashallah, good uniform, it's good clothes. And I do eat what I like. Maybe I eat chicken biryani, right? Okay, about the 4th point, about family laws and legal protections. Okay, here in Emirates, I see, mashallah, many kids. Anyone, he have a marriage certificate. Does he register it here in UAE? If yes, good. If no, you have to register. Okay. The problem is not to being with a lady. The problem is getting a 3rd person in your family. This is the problem. So if you got a 3rd family in your family, a third person in your family, so you have immediately to go to register the the marriage certificate. Even if you don't have a marriage certificate, you have to do it immediately. This is really, it's a long procedure and very hard procedure to do it. And if someone he didn't, so the three of them, they will gonna be in jail for a long time. Imagine a mother and the father and the small kid, they will gonna be in jail, really. And it's depend on your chance. If he was in Dubai, so it will gonna be much better. If he was in Ajman, oh my God. Some of jails, you know what they are doing? They are bringing the kids or the baby for the mother only for milk time only. So what about the others time? They are keeping in a nursery or somewhere. In Dubai, they are keeping the baby with the mother even, but the place is not good for a baby. So why? And this is a good point, really. I need to say it. You don't need to see a lawyer after the problem. See him before the problem. If you saw him after the problem, the lady will gonna be inside, baby's inside, man is inside, and you are the brother or father coming trying to help them. So it's a very hard point. Lawyer is not a kind of a man he's doing magic. No, he's following the law and he's teaching you how to follow the law so you can avoid these problems. We are here just to live peacefully and to have a good life. Why we need to do these things just to get in a troubles for nothing, really nothing. Okay, about let's say about, we will not talk about divorce, it's not good thing. About the marriage only, the most important thing is like registering the certificate. And about the kids, whatever schools, so it's belong to the family. They choose what school they want, they choose where they want to live. They are full, they can full right to do whatever they want. They want to go to Indian school, they want to English school, Arabic school, wherever they want. That's their right. Okay, protecting the children and the women. We have in Dubai, Ajman, Sharjah, everywhere, there is a places just to protect the women and the children because they are the weak part. Okay, we are the man, no one is taking care about us. Only the ladies and the children. Okay. Okay, if you know someone, your neighbor or anyone, he's hitting his wife or he's not treating her well or he's not feeding his children, this is not happening, but some cases, right, it's happening. You can immediately call the police. They will take the mother and the children to these places, which is especially for the mother and the children. And they are taking care of them and they are taking the man to the exact place where, you know where is it? Jail. And even if you search in Google, you will see that there is a hotline for complaining. In Sharjah, I think it's 800, 700, the number is. In Dubai, in Ajman, it's different. But in general, you can call police, they will guide you, in general. Okay, let's go with our last point, the fifth point. Then we will go to the questions. When you reach any country, not only Emirates, when you reach any country, before reaching, and when you are in the airplane, just read about the law, about the currency, about the president, about everything. Whatever you have a question in your mind, you have the answer in Google. But in trusted website. If you have any question about this country, if you feel that you are not in safe, you can call the police, you can call the embassy of your country, you can get direct to any lawyer if you know the lawyers there. Some people, they are coming to Emirates, they don't have a home, okay, but they are coming by visit visa and going. So these guys, they can go to a lawyer, give them a power of attorney just to keep the law firm as an address for them in this country. So if anyone he want to send them an email or to give them any notice, to do any case, they will send it directly to the lawyer. Okay, just focus to avoid the problems, because really, any country, you see that they are safe. You can go anytime outside. There is a groceries 24 hours. There is pharmacies 24 hours. This is just because the punishment is hard. If the punishment was weak, so you will not see the safety. Never. Okay. Avoid driving a car without a license. Important things in general. Working without a permission. Do not gather with people in somewhere that you don't have a permission. Okay. Some people, they are doing what we are doing here, but without a permission. So it's a big problem. There will gonna be a bus waiting outside for everyone. I'm gonna be the first one. Okay. Avoid fighting with police. Some people really, they are fighting with police. He's going, he have a right, but he don't have enough evidence. So he's fighting with the police just to get back his right, but he don't have enough evidence. So the police, they cannot do a thing that something it's not in their hand. It's out of their hand. So Emirates is welcoming everyone, but the punishment is very hard. Respect the law, understand the law. We can help each other to get enough information. And I am welcoming your questions. Anyone who want to start.